Writing test cases manually can be time-consuming, especially when you're dealing with complex requirements. What if you could generate them instantly, right inside Jira? In this video, we'll show you how to use the AgileTest Generator to refine requirement descriptions, then create test cases based on your updated requirements. Now, let's start. First, open your test project. You can see the Ask Rovo button on the top right-hand side on the sidebar. Click on this button and find the AgileTest Generator. You can mark it to locate the agent better next time. Next, select a specific requirement by entering its issue key. You can write a command like improve description for the requirement URF-107. The AgileTest Generator will retrieve the requirement and analyze its current description. This is important because the agent will propose test cases based on these inputs. Once the refined description is generated, you can review and edit it further until it matches your expectations. Or, if you're satisfied, you can confirm with the agent to apply new changes to the requirement and move forward to generate test cases from this refined version. Next, choose one of the supported types of test cases you want to generate. AgileTest supports generating test cases in 3 types: manual, cucumber, and generic. You can also define how many test cases you'd like to generate, up to 20 test cases per request. For example, you can ask the agent to create 10 manual test cases for the recently updated requirement. Within seconds, AgileTest generates a list of test cases based on your refined requirements. Each test case contains its test step actions, sample data, and expected results. You can review each one and make adjustments as needed to fit your testing preferences. Once you've finalized editing your test cases, you can select the ones you want to keep. Command the order number of these proposed test cases, and they will be created and linked automatically to your requirements. Thank you for watching, and that's how you can generate better and faster test cases with AgileTest. Start using AgileTest Generator today and enhance your testing workflow.